benefits of coalition. Due to the existence of various political parties, among them there will be various party leaders. They were believing different ideologies and policies. The political consistency, so the political treatment is difficult to achieve. Some political leaders have one opinion, other may have other opinion. Hence there exists political instability or persists. Hence there continues political instability. Number 2, as coalition is a result of mutual consent or result of mutual agreement, heads of the government, that means president, have no say in the formation of their own cabinet. Have no say means one has no influence in making decisions. So the head of the government have no influence in making decision in the formation of their own cabinet and in the formation of national policies or program. So this head of the government should not interfere towards the coalition government. Number 3, in the parliamentary system, that means in parliamentary system, prime minister is the head of the government, as each coalition partner has its own specific electorate and has assured specific scheme and program. Number 4, collective responsibility is casualty. As far as coalition concerned, there will be an existence of various political party. Among them, there will be a political leaders. These leaders involved in every department, thus erases laws. So, in parliamentary system, there will be a ministry. Ministry means it is a government department headed by the minister. So the ministry has to act as a unit in parliamentary system. But in the coalition government, this cannot happen. Why? This every leader is involved in every matter. Hence, no one shoulders the responsibility of mismanagement and maladministration. Number 5, official secrecy cannot be maintained in coalition government. Here, the decision taken in the cabinet, which are very much sensitive in nature, and these decisions are disclosed or released by its own signatories. Here, the signatories are the various political party leaders who cannot curtail these political party leaders. They cannot be restricted by the government. Number 6, regional parties. Regional parties means if there is any conflict or problem in specific region, so the natives of specific region, they form say political parties. So the region parties, they always focus on their own region. That means in regional parties always ignore national interest and they always concentrate on their own parochial interest. Parochial interest means their own narrow-minded interest towards their region. And chauvinism. Chauvinism means excessive patriotism. That means they are that much interested towards their region. In some cases, coalition government fails. Number 7. Frequent election to the Lok Sabha leads to huge expenses both to the part of the government and on the political parties. As we have discussed earlier that with the autocratic rule of Indian National Congress, so the many political parties come together to defeat the Indian National Congress. For that, there should be an election and the election leads to huge expenses. So the coalition proves to be highly expensive as it does not complete full term. Number 8. Coalition leads to dishonest later alliances. Before election, party indulge in mudslinging and form coalition for the sake of power and they hug each other. This leads to unholy and dishonest alliance which result in deterioration of democratic value. That means sometimes there is no trust in later alliances. Before election, these parties indulge in mudslinging. Mudslinging means they may tell sometime I will be doing this, I will be doing that after election. They may hug each other. Why? For the sake of power. So this leads to unholy and dishonest alliances or dishonest union which result in a deterioration of democratic value. 9. Union government does not have free hand in the formulation of either domestic or foreign policies due to the pressure of coalition partner. That means union government does not have the permission to make their own decision in the formulation of policies. Number 10. Coalition governments cannot have long-term planning and view. Its main aim to escape from a present political volatility. Volatility means present political life. D.C. Pawati opined that if the purpose of forming coalition is to fall the existing government without any common program of action or approach the coalition, however the broad-based or cohesive it may be, would not provide for stability and would it in turns to the victim of the same process of defection. So defection, sometimes these elected members can be changed its parties, often for the personal benefits or different of opinion or many more reasons.